Chapter 12, Part 2, Physical Effects of Stress. Remember, these lectures are supplemental to reading the text. Stress can affect a person's health either indirectly by prompting behaviors that jeopardize physical well-being or directly by altering bodily functions leading to symptoms, illness, or disease. Stress in the endocrine system. The fight or flight response is a rapidly occurring chain of internal physical reactions that prepare people either to fight or take flight from an immediate threat. It was first described by American physiologist Walter Cannon, who found that the fight or flight response involves both the sympathetic nervous system and the endocrine system. With the perception of a threat, the hypothalamus and lower brain structures activate the sympathetic nervous system, which stimulates the adrenal medulla to secrete hormones called catocholamines, including adrenaline and noradrenaline. Canadian endocrinologist Selye was a pioneer in stress research. He found that rats exposed to a variety of prolonged stressors had the same pattern of physical changes. The adrenal glands became enlarged, stomach ulcers and loss of weight occurred, and there was shrinkage of the thymus gland and lymph glands, two key components of the immune system. The general adaption syndrome is Selye's term for the three-stage progression of physical changes that occurs when an organism is exposed to intense and prolonged stress. During the initial alarm stage, intense arousal occurs as the body mobilizes internal physical resources to meet the demands of the stress-producing event. In the resistance stage, the body actively tries to resist or adjust to the continuing stressful situation. If the stress-producing event persists, the exhaustion stage may occur, leading to exhaustion, physical disorders, and potentially death. So you found that prolonged stress activates a second endocrine pathway that involves the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, and the adrenal cortex. In response to a stressor, the hypothalamus signals the pituitary gland to secrete a hormone called adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH. ACTH stimulates the adrenal cortex to release stress-related hormones called corticosteroids, the most important of which is cortisol. In the short run, the corticosteroids help protect the body against the harm caused by stressors. Continued high levels of corticosteroids can lower immunity, increase susceptibility to illness. Chronic stress or repeated episodes of acute stress can lead to cardiovascular disease, including atherosclerosis. Chronic stress can also lead to depression and other psychological problems.